All right, I'm hoping you had some success with that. Now let's take a look. My max is equal to 4 and my min is equal to 0. So I can go ahead and find my A and my D value right away. This would be 4 minus 0 divided by 2, which is 2. And this is going to be 4 plus 0 divided by 2, which is also 2. Now let's find the period of the graph. Period's kind of neat. What we need to do is look either from max to max or min to min. If I go from min to min right here, as you can see, the period is 2 pi over 3. But let's say I measured it from max to max. You see it's the same distance. So whenever you're looking for the period, find it either from max to max or min to min, and it doesn't matter which mins. Line it up with 0 on the x-axis. Use your x-axis as a ruler and see how far it went. So my period is 2 pi over 3. And we're just going to clean that up right away. And I'm going to times it by the reciprocal, which gives me a b value of 3. Now we've got to find the horizontal phase shift. I'm going to draw the midline first. Now what I'm looking for, pick a brighter color, is the first cycle of sine. So as you can see, that's the first cycle. I have one way over here, but that's a lot further away when I look at the starting point. So I always pick the closest starting point. So I know that's where sine starts because it went down here, it was displaced 2 units up, and then it went this far to the right. So it went 1 scale to the right increment. Let's find our scale of this graph. We know the scale is how many pieces of the first pi? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my scale is equal to pi over 6. And as we can see, again, this graph, started here, and then it went pi over 6 to the right. So my C indicates pi over 6 right. So we're good. Now we can write the equation. So if I write it in this form, I just have to put in my A, B, C, and D values. And don't worry about this. We're always going to be dealing with a positive A value. So I have y is equal to 2 sine 3 x minus pi over 6 plus 2. And there's your equation. All right, we're going to skip some of those. And what I would like you to do is I would like you to try part A, and I'll be right back to go through both A and B with you.